What if I told you that every single step you take, even while you're just walking to the fridge, could actually earn you real money or rewards? No, this isn't just some scam or fantasy. It's called Sweatcoin and it's changing how people think about fitness and income. In this video, I will show you exactly how it works, how much you can earn, and a few secret tips to boost your earnings faster, all from your phone, just by walking. Let's get into it. So guys, this platform goes by the name of Sweatcoin, and for you to register on this platform, all you have to do is to click on the link below in the description box of this video, and then to bring you over to your Play Store where you have to download the app or your App Store. So once you download the app, it will take you over to the sign up process where which you have to follow and then sign up to register on this app. So guys, to earn on this app right now, if you go out to the end section down here, you'll be seeing that this app can literally pay you. It pays you in Sweatcoin. As you can see above here, I have over 715 Sweatcoin, which I'll be showing you guys how you can be able to withdraw it or convert it to gift cards later. So guys, as you can see now in this, you can see now that this actually pays you 5 Sweatcoins for actually listening to audiobook. This one will also pay you. You can just use 5 Sweatcoins to get over 25% off of this herb health and wellness product. So if you just click on this now, if you want to get this kind of stuff, you just have to click on this visit website, and to visit the website they'll give you a code. If you want to purchase this product, they'll give you a code, and once you just click on this visit website, you go over to the website and then input that code, and you'll be getting 25% off of this product. So if you go over back now, if you go down, you can also see that there are many more free ones. As you can see this gadget section, you can see that this one is totally free, and they'll be giving you 65% off plus free shipping after. So if you just click on this right now, once you just click on this, as you can see, just like what I showed you before, if you just click on the view code, it will give you the code where you will go. Then it also show you the place where you have to visit the website and then input the code there. And if you want to buy this product, instead of getting it at 100% price or the full price, you'll now be getting 65% off the normal price. You can see many more things you can be able to do on this platform to get more coins, to get more sweat coins. And then to also get more sweat coins, you can also see this place that is actually telling you to claim now. Every day you can claim up to 3 of these sweats here every day. So you just click on this claim section here, and you can get between 0.1 to 1000 coin. So all you have to do now is just watch this video here, and once you are done watching it, you'll be receiving the reward of this video. As you can see now, I'm just done with watching this video, and then I'll wait for this button here. As you can see, I'll just click on remove, and then once you are done watching the ad, you'll be able to get between 0.1 to 1000 sweat coins. See, as you can see, I just got another 1 sweat coin again, and I can still watch this one again to get more sweat coins myself. As you can see, this is a total of 2 sweat coins, and if I watch this one, I can get up to 1 to 10 or 1 to 50 or 1 to 1000 sweat coins, which is just by your luck or something like that. So you can also earn more. As you can see now, my balance has increased to 716 sweat coin. So now if you click on this reward section, you'll be seeing that I had over, back to the home section, you see that I've done over 7,000 steps today. I already cleared over 6,000 steps. And guys, once your data does not have to be on to earn from this platform. Your data can be off, your data can be on, anyone, but you just have to stay with your phone and be working. Because if you are going out and you're with your phone, it's already counting, the steps are already counting for you, and you're already earning more sweat coins. Your steps will be converted to sweat coins, which you'll be able to use to, as I said before, be able to withdraw it as cryptocurrency, or you just buy it, just be buying gift card with it. If I go back to the reward section, you can see now, if you once you're done claiming 2000 steps every day, you just click on this unlock now button, and you'll be asked to pay like 2 sweat coin, where you now see something. You just have to, once you're done paying it, you see like a scratch card. Once you just scratch out, you receive more sweat coin. You can receive 7, you can receive 10, you can receive 15 sweat coins from just scratching that thing. So once you just use 2000, I've already claimed my own. That's why you cannot see me unlocking it again. So once you just click on it, although you can still watch an ad to skip a step go today. So guys, and this is also another one where they give you super draws. You can get this is $75 gift card for 5 lucky winners. Where this is just, you don't have to buy your entries with Sweatcoin. You just click on this buy entries here. You can see I've already bought only one ticket today. If I click on those buy entries, you can buy as much tickets as you want to be able to get more chance of winning that $75. Like now, if I buy like 10, I'll just have to buy it for like 20 Sweatcoins. If I buy 100, I'll buy it with 200 Sweatcoins. The more tickets you have, the more chances you have in winning the $75 card. So now if I go over here, if I just click on one, I just click on buy entries for one. You can see now I've already increased again. So as you can see now, I've entered now with 2 entries, and now my sweat coins has reduced to over 740. So that's what you have. As you can see also, you can also use your sweat coins to redeem a ticket to win concert tickets, flights, and a night stay for two. So you can also use your sweat coin. If you're lucky, you can also win these tickets to Coldplay, as you can see here in London. So you can also use your sweat coin and also buy this type of things here. And also to purchase gift card, you just have to click on this buy section over here that's up here. You can see now with 1,500 Swiss coins, I can buy a $3 gift card, 2,500 Swiss coins, $5 gift card, 3,500 Swiss coins, a $10 gift card, 10,000 Swiss coins, a $40 gift card. So you can see the amount of 2,000 people, 2.2k people have claimed 630, 353, and so on and so forth. So now this is also premium button up here. These are for people that purchase the premium plan, and this video will not be showing anything about premium plan. Like this is just this is just showing you how to earn freely from this website. But if you purchase the premium plan, you can also enter now to win a gift card of your choice, win anything between $5 to $100. That's why people that purchase the premium plan in this platform can be able to get a chance to win all these $5 to $200. If you now go over to this social section. This is just like a place where you can just join. As you can see, if you get up to 150,000 step goal, you have a prize. You can win the prize of 50 Swiss coin. If you get a 200,000 step goal, you can also win a prize of 50 Swiss coin. Just join. You can just click on this join now button and just click on join challenge. Once you just see, as you can see here, they said I'm in. Once you just reach 150,000 steps with between 22 days, you'll be seeing that I'll be able to get over 50 sweat coins. You can see I already made 22,000 steps before. And then you can also see this one. You can also join this one again. You can just join it so that as that one is counting, this one will also be counted for you. And then as you can see, I've already joined it again. So make sure you just join both of them at once before you continue. So that before you just finish the two of them, you'll be getting a total of around 100 sweat coins. So now if you go over to club, you also see many more which can join. Like now, just join this club. You can see this club has over 461,000 members. There are a lot of people using these apps to make money for themselves. So don't miss out and just join now. So now you can see they have made over 204 billion steps. And these are other club people that have also joined themselves and become a club to me. And now you can also see that if you get over 120k steps in before the end of June 2020, sorry, June 20th of 2025, of course, you'll be getting to 75 subscribers. So you can just click on this join now button for June 20th. If you are sure you can be able to make up to 120k steps, as I just walk in, you can just click on this join club and activity. And then once you click on it, it will also show me that kind of you are in here. See, you can see how they show me I'm in. So if I complete up to 120,000 steps, I'll be getting a total of 75 sweat coins. As you can see, another one here too. They're also doing 75 sweat coins for 120,000 steps. Ends on June 20. There you can see other one. This one is giving 460 sweat for just 50,000 sweats, 50,000 steps. But that will be if you can complete it before June 9th. That will be like, you can complete it a day from now, because I'm making this video I think on the 7th of June. I'm making this video on the 7th of June, so can making this video self so you can just click, you can just join now. If you can make up to 50,000 steps before that, you can get 460. So I'll be joining this one right now because I'm sure you can be able to make up to 50,000 steps before this day end. And then I'll just click on that. You can see, yeah, you need to join. You just click on the join club and activity, and once you are done joining it, once you make 50k steps before June 9th, I'll be getting a total price of 460 sweat, which is a lot of sweat coins for you to earn. You can also go back to this friend section. You can see these are just people that just click on the sales can see join the top, or these are just challenges that sweat coin will make for you. Like now, if you can be able to join and invite up to 24 people, you'll be receiving a total price of $10. But this end in 7 hours. So if you are not watching this video between that time, you can still join other ones to receive more sweat coins for yourself. So now, to convert your sweat coins to crypto, I've already showed you how to you can be able to buy your gift card with Sweatcoin. I'll also show you how to convert it to crypto. If I just click on this 714 Sweatcoin up there, you can see now it will just be showing you. And firstly, secondly, before you can be able to convert it, you have to download the Sweat wallet. You can go to Play Store or your Apple Store and just search for Sweat wallet, and then you can download it and you go back to show you, tell you to sign up, and just sign in up with your Sweatcoin app that I've already downloaded. Then once you're done, just click on this button. If I'm able to So right now I'm in the app presently, and as you can see now, I have about 0.32 sweat coins to receive right now. If I want to decide, just click on this PR. And guys, why I'm not seeing over 760 sweat tokens here, 714 I think. Why I don't see it here, because I've been in this platform for over like a month now, but I did not log into this sweat. So make sure you log into this sweat wallet at least once every month, so that it can be able to accumulate or gather everything I've been able to earn from this platform, and now you can be able to receive it here. But right now, that 750 14 sweat coins, even if I cannot withdraw it as crypto, yeah, I can also use that and buy gift card when I reach 1,500 sweat coins. If I just click on this transfer button over here, you'll be seeing that if you want to send your sweat coin, just click on this sweat over here, and then you'll be going over to your Bybit or any wallet that supports sweat coin and to receive it. Now for me, I'll be going over to my Bybit address, my Bybit wallet right now. So now I'll be going over to my Bybit wallet right now. So right now, guys, I'm in my Bybit wallet. As you can see over here, if you just go over to this trade section here, you can see that if my 716 sweat, if I'm to convert it to over 714, sorry, you can see that we're going to be getting over 2.05 USDT. If I send it over here, now I'll be able to get over 2.05 USDT. And if I get over 1,500 sweat tokens, I'll be getting over 4.3 USDT. So yeah, if you make up to 1,500 sweat coins, make sure you transfer it over to transfer it to crypto, now that the is still high, like the price of one sweat coin is still high now, so you can get over $4.3 instead of buying a gift card worth $3. So now if you want to deposit your crypto, you just click on this asset section here, then you just click on this deposit button right now, and just click on this deposit crypto. You click on this deposit, you just search for sweat here, you just click here and search for sweat. Once you search for sweat, you see something like this, click on it. So that make sure you don't use this Ethereum address here, because if you use this Ethereum address, you will lose all your funds. I'm telling you, lose all your funds. Make sure you use this near down here. This one that shows near. Just click on it right now, and then copy this wallet address, and then you can go over back to your sweat wallet and then paste it. Just go over to that place, like that transfer button, the same way. Just go over to transfer, taking time to load, but you just go over to transfer and then paste your wallet address there, and then withdraw the total amount. As you can see, if you just go over here, you just put your wallet address in this username or address, and then that's how you can be able to send your sweat token to your wallet address. So now guys, I'll be going over to the Sweatcoin to show you everything on the platform right now. So now, and so guys, all you have to do in this platform is to just be taking your steps every day, and once you take steps every day, your steps will be converted to the sweat coins, which can then withdraw to your wallet address. And guys, as you can see here, they are presently holding a contest. Like, this content going to end in like 13 days, where they just want to invite many people to their platform. So all you need to do now is to invite just 5 people and be getting 3 USDT. And I'm sure that everybody have at least 5 contacts in their phone or 5 friends that you want to invite to this app. All you have to do is just to download this app and you'll be getting your commission of 3 USDT once you just successfully invite 5 friends. So guys, that will be all for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and also join my Telegram channel, because I'll be posting many updates here, like many daily updates there on different platforms that I will not be able to post a video on YouTube about. So ensure you join the YouTube channel and don't miss out. Thank you.